Hijamah is the Arabic term for wet cupping, where blood is drawn by a vacuum from a small skin incision for therapeutic purposes. This practice has Greek, Arab, Turkish and Persian origin and is also mentioned by Hippocrates. Hijamah generally can be performed almost anywhere in the body, normally at the site of an ache or a pain, in order to ease or alleviate the pain and the ache. The mouth of the cup, whether this is metal, glass or plastic, generally used, although traditionally horns were used, it is placed on the skin and the site chosen for hijamah. A tight seal is then created. The traditional method is to burn a small piece of paper or cotton wool inside the vessel so that the mouth of the cup clings onto the skin. The cup is left to cling to the skin for a few minutes, then it is lifted off and several very small incisions is then made, and the cup is then put back onto the skin for the blood to subside. The traditional sunnah points for hijamah therapy are on the upper back, which essentially target the heart, the lungs, the brain and the spine. All are major foundations for optimal health. Hijamah serves to cleanse and unblock the major arteries and veins. Just to mention a few medical benefits, it boosts the immune system, cleanses and detoxifies the body, treats illnesses and relaxes the patient. It's a form of pain relief, increases fertility. Hijamah is also useful for treating many muscular, skeletal, neurological, immune, cardiovascular, digestive and urinary issues. Moving on to a few of many ahadith reported by Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, hijamah cupping is the most helpful procedure for human beings to cure themselves. This is narrated in Bukhari. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the best treatment is hijamah. It removes blood, it lightens the back and it sharpens the eyesight. He said, hijamah on the back of the neck treats 72 different types of illnesses. This is collected by Tabarani. It is best to have hijamah performed on the sunnah days according to ahadith. Whoever performs hijamah on the 17th, 19th and the 21st day of the Islamic lunar year, then it is a cure for every disease. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if there is any sort of medications which you treat yourself, it is in the incision of the hijamah therapist and the gulp of honey. This is found in Muslim. Come and revive this sunnah of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, whoever revives the sunnah from my sunnah and the people practice upon it, he or she will have the same reward of those who practice it, without their reward diminishing from it at all. Visit sunnahmeds.com and book your hijamah therapy now.